Computer MS Excel. What is the intersection of a column and a row on? What is the intersection of a column and a row on? What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called? What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called cell, address, row, column? Right answer is cell. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? Values, character, label, formula. Right answer is character. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? Character. Which toolbar allows you to enter values and formulas? Which toolbar allows you to enter values and formulas? Title bar, formula bar, menu bar, standard toolbar. Right answer is formula bar. Select the correct option for cell address. Select the correct option for cell address. 2512A25 91145Z. Right answer is A25. By mistake, you delete a record in the sheet. Which command can be used to restore it immediately? By mistake, you delete a record in the sheet. Which command can be used to restore it immediately? Right, undo, cut, copy, insert. Right answer is undo. The first cell in Excel worksheet is labeled as AB, A1, AA, A4. The first cell in Excel worksheet is labeled as A1. Collection grid of columns and rows is called collection or grid of columns and rows is called cell, worksheet, row, column. Right answer is worksheet. An Excel workbook is a collection of An Excel workbook is a collection of worksheets, cells, charts, worksheets. Right answer is worksheet. In order to perform a calculation in a spreadsheet, in order to perform a calculation in a spreadsheet, you need to use a table, formula, field, label. In order to perform a calculation in a spreadsheet, you need to use a table, formula, field, label. Right answer is formula. What is the basic file of MS Excel? Presentation, slide, bitmap, workbook. Right answer is workbook. What is the last column of an Excel 2003 worksheet? IV, AV, XV, DV. Right answer is IV. What is the last column of an Excel 2003 worksheet? IV. In older version of Excel 2003 and prior, the last column was IV, which is 256 columns. What is the last column of an Excel 2007 worksheet? What is the last column of an Excel 2007 worksheet? IV, AV, XB, XFD. Right answer is XFD. In the modern version of Excel, this is column XFD, which is 16,384 columns. Which component of MS Excel displays the address of the active cell? Which component of Microsoft Excel displays the address of the active cell? Formula bar, name box, row header, column header. Right answer is name box. How many rows how many rows do 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 an MS Excel 2003 worksheet? How many rows does an MS Excel 2003 worksheet contain? 65,536, 65,535, 256, 155. Right answer is 65,536. How many columns does an MS Excel 2003 worksheet contain? How many columns does an MS Excel 2003 worksheet contain? 256, 126, 156, 580. Right answer is 256. How many columns does an MS Excel 2003 worksheet contain? 256. How many rows does an Microsoft Excel 2007 worksheet contain? How many rows does an Microsoft Excel 2007 worksheet contain? 1048576, 1048577, 1048555, 1048575. Right answer is 1048576. How many columns does an Microsoft Excel 2007 worksheet contain? How, how many columns does a Microsoft Excel 2007 worksheet contain? 16,384, 16,385, 16,383, 16,386. Right answer is 16,384. What is a workbook? What is a workbook? Collection of worksheets, collection of Excel file, collection of cells, collection of rows and columns. Right answer is collection of worksheets. In Microsoft Excel, a formula should allow start with sign plus dot equal to x. Right answer is equal to. How are columns in Excel worksheet labeled? How are columns in Excel worksheet labeled? Roman numbers, numbers, English alphabet, symbols. Right answer is English alphabet. Thank you.